In front of me is Nevin phone 4A, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll a tiny bit to tap on apps. Then scroll again, this time to choose cloned apps here. And click on the switcher next to one of those you wanna clone. Or tap on See Other Apps and clone one of those. Whatever you decided after tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones, just wait. So now when I go back to check them out, I can see that my apps were successfully cloned. If you want to delete any of those clones, you can do that like you would with any other app. Hold it, tap on Uninstall button, and confirm your choice in the pop-up, or go back to the same section in your settings and use black switcher next to the chosen one. Then hit Uninstall and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!